Hungarian vowel sounds. Hi, can you reproduce these Hungarian words without an accent? Tarka, barka, kacsa, talpa, lassan, baktat, az udvarban. Tarka, barka, kacsa, talpa, lassan, baktat, az udvarban. Did you achieve success, or did you encounter challenges? What might have caused the issue? The production of vowel sounds varies significantly across languages, presenting unique challenges for language learners. This is why enhancing your pronunciation and minimizing your accent should start with refining your vowel sounds. Let's produce Hungarian vowel sounds. Try to copy me. O, O, A, A, E, 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 I, 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 O, 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 Ö, 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 U, 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 Ü, 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 Ü. Similar or dissimilar vowel sounds. Some language learners are likely to find the vowel sounds relatively manageable if they bear a strong resemblance to their native tongue. This may happen to English speakers while pronouncing their E and E sounds. E, elf, E, elephant. I, igloo, I, igaz. However, challenges may arise when it comes to pronouncing other vowels, such as O, A, U, U, or Ü, Ü sounds. The Hungarian O and A sounds. These two sounds may pose immediate difficulties for English speakers, as there are no equivalent vowels in the English language. The closest approximation to the Hungarian O vowel sound could be achieved by pronouncing words like op or uncle. In Hungarian, you would say O, apa, O, anya, O, arc, O, alma. When producing vowel sounds, you may focus on 3 physiological traits throughout the process: the movements of your jaw, your lips, and tongue. For example, when uttering Hungarian O sounds, your jaw together with the tongue should drop down into a low position. Your lips should form a rounded shape and slightly move forward. It has been described as resembling a sotter pout by some learners. The tip of your tongue may gently touch the soft area behind your teeth. O, O, O. Now let's practice. Try to copy me. Tarka, tarka. Barka, barka. Kacsa, kacsa. Talpa, talpa. Lassan, lassan. Baktat, baktat. Az, az. Udvarban, udvarban. Let's smell 2 words together now. Tarka, barka. Tarka, barka. Kacsa, talpa. Kacsa, talpa. Lassan baktat. Lassan baktat. Az udvarban. Az udvarban. Let's say 4 words in a row now. Tarka, barka, kacsa, talpa. Tarka, barka, kacsa, talpa. Lassan baktat az udvarban. Lassan baktat az udvarban. Please note that the emphasis in the last word, udvarban, may shift to the second syllable, udvarban, when the rhyme is recited at a brisk pace, influenced by the inherent rhythm of the rhyme. In slower speech, the accent should remain on the first syllable, baktat az udvarban, as it is dictated by the natural characteristics of the Hungarian language. Tarka, barka, kacsa, talpa, lassan baktat az udvarban. The A sound. When your doctor instructs you to open your mouth widely and say "ah," you are approximating the Hungarian "a" vowel sound. The pronunciation of this sound is similar to the "a" sound in the English words father or spa. In the Hungarian language, you may say "a" ág, "a" ágy, "a" ár, "a" áll. The Hungarian "a" sound is an open, unrounded vowel that is created in a low jaw and tongue position. The lips should widely open and pull slightly sideways. The tongue should softly touch the lower teeth. Sárvári, sárvári, Sándornak, Sándornak, sárból, sárból, van, van, a, háza, háza, sárvári, sárvári, sárikát, sárikát, sártortával, sártortával, várja, várja. Let's attempt to pair up the words now. Sárvári Sándornak, Sárvári Sándornak, sárból van a háza, sárból van a háza. Sárvári Sárikát, Sárvári Sárikát, sártortával várja, sártortával várja. Sárvári Sándornak sárból van a háza. Sárvári Sándornak sárból van a háza. Sárvári Sárikát sártortával várja. Sárvári Sárikát sártortával várja. Sárvári Sándornak sárból van a háza, Sárvári Sárikát sártortával várja. The importance of O and A sounds. The distinction between O and A sounds is crucial because they can significantly impact the meaning of words in the Hungarian language. Mispronouncing or misunderstanding these sounds may lead to confusion or miscommunication. Let's see some examples. Kar, kar, or kár, kár. Hal, hal. Hál, hál. Csap, csap. Csáp, csáp. Agy, agy, ágy, ágy. Please bear in mind these distinctions as you learn the Hungarian language.